Aloe vera is a wonderful plant. Known for its thick, fleshy leaves, this succulent is not only a beautiful addition to any garden but also a powerhouse of healing properties. Its vibrant green leaves are filled with a gel that has been used for centuries in various cultures around the world. This gel is renowned for its soothing and healing properties. When you cut open an aloe vera leaf, you'll find a clear, thick gel inside. This gel can be applied directly to the skin to treat a variety of conditions. People have used aloe vera for centuries. Ancient civilizations, including the Egyptians, Greeks, and Chinese, recognized its medicinal benefits. It was often referred to as the plant of immortality, and was used to treat wounds, burns, and other skin ailments. Aloe vera can soothe burns, cuts, and skin irritations. Its anti-inflammatory properties help reduce redness and swelling, while its moisturizing effects keep the skin hydrated and promote faster healing. Aloe vera is a succulent. This means it has adapted to survive in arid environments by storing water in its leaves. This unique adaptation allows it to thrive even in dry conditions. The leaves of the aloe vera plant are thick and fleshy, designed to store water. This stored water is what gives the plant its resilience and ability to survive in harsh climates. The gel inside the leaves is what we use. This gel is packed with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants that are beneficial for the skin and overall health. This gel is packed with vitamins and minerals. It contains vitamins A, C, and E, which are antioxidants, as well as vitamin B12, folic acid, and choline. These nutrients help protect the skin from damage and support its natural healing processes. Growing aloe vera at home is easy. It requires minimal care and can thrive in a variety of conditions. Whether you have a garden or just a small pot, you can enjoy the benefits of this amazing plant. It's a hardy plant that doesn't need much care. Aloe vera can survive with little water and can even thrive in poor soil conditions. Just make sure it gets plenty of sunlight and it will flourish. You can enjoy fresh aloe vera gel anytime. Simply cut a leaf, extract the gel, and apply it to your skin. It's a natural and effective way to treat minor skin issues and keep your skin healthy. Let's learn how to grow this amazing plant. With a little care and attention, you can have a thriving aloe vera plant at home, ready to provide you with its healing benefits whenever you need them. Choosing a healthy aloe vera plant is important. Look for a plant with plump, firm leaves. The leaves should be a bright green color. Avoid plants with brown spots or wilting leaves. These could be signs of disease or pests. Check the base of the plant for any signs of rot. You can buy aloe vera plants at most garden centers. Choose a plant that's a manageable size for your home. A small plant is a good choice for beginners. Aloe vera needs well-draining soil. Regular potting soil can hold too much water. It's best to use a cactus or succulent mix. Choose a pot with drainage holes. This will prevent the roots from sitting in water. A terracotta pot is a good option. It allows the soil to dry out quickly. The size of the pot is important too. Choose a pot that's slightly larger than the plant's root ball. This will give the roots room to grow. Planting aloe vera is easy. First, fill the pot with the soil mix. Leave some space at the top. Gently remove the aloe vera plant from its container. Place the plant in the center of the pot. Make sure the top of the root ball is level with the soil surface. Fill the remaining space with soil. Water the plant lightly. Allow the excess water to drain out. Place the pot in a bright location. Avoid direct sunlight for the first few weeks. Aloe vera is drought tolerant. It doesn't need frequent watering. Overwatering is a common mistake. It can lead to root rot. Water your aloe vera only when the soil is completely dry. Stick your finger into the soil to check for moisture. If it feels dry, it's time to water. Water deeply, but don't let the plant sit in water. Allow the excess water to drain out. Reduce watering in winter when the plant is dormant. Section 6. Sunshine and warmth. Aloe vera's favorite things. Aloe vera loves sunlight. This succulent plant thrives in bright, sunny conditions, making it an ideal houseplant for those who have a sunny spot in their home. The more sunlight it gets, happier it will be. It needs at least 6 hours of indirect sunlight daily. Direct sunlight can be too harsh and may cause the leaves to burn, so it's best to place your aloe vera in a spot where it can enjoy plenty of light without being exposed to the full intensity of the sun's rays. A south-facing window is ideal. This orientation provides the perfect balance of light throughout the day, ensuring your aloe vera gets the right amount of sunlight it needs to thrive. If you don't have a south-facing window, an east or west-facing window can also work well. If the leaves turn brown, it's a sign of sunburn. This can happen if the plant is exposed to too much direct sunlight. To prevent this, you can use a sheer curtain to diffuse the light or move the plant to a slightly shadier spot. Keep your aloe vera plant in a warm location. Aloe vera is a tropical plant and prefers warm temperatures. It will do best in a room that stays consistently warm throughout the year. It prefers temperatures between 55 and 80 degrees Fahrenheit, or 13 to 27 degrees Celsius. These temperatures mimic the plant's natural habitat and help it to grow strong and healthy, protect it from frost and cold drafts in winter. Aloe vera is not frost tolerant and can be damaged by cold temperatures. Make sure to keep it away from drafty windows and doors during the colder months. If you live in a cold climate, you can move your aloe vera plant outdoors during summer. This allows it to enjoy the warmth and sunlight of the season. Just be sure to bring it back indoors before the temperatures start to drop in the fall. Just make sure to acclimatize it gradually to prevent sunburn. Start by placing it in a shaded outdoor area, and gradually move it to a sunnier spot over the course of a week or two. This will help the plant adjust to the increased light levels without getting sunburned. In addition to sunlight and warmth, proper watering is crucial for aloe vera. Water the plant deeply but infrequently, allowing the soil to dry out completely between waterings. Overwatering can lead to root rot, so it's important to let the soil dry out. Use well-draining soil and a pot with drainage holes to prevent water from sitting at the bottom. This will help keep the roots healthy and prevent issues like root rot. By providing your aloe vera with the right amount of sunlight, warmth, and proper care, you'll have a healthy and happy plant that can thrive for years to come. Section 7, Aloe Vera SOS, Troubleshooting Common Problems. Aloe vera is a hardy plant, but it can sometimes face issues. Brown spots on leaves can indicate sunburn or fungal disease. If you notice pests like mealybugs, isolate the plant. You can wipe them off with a cotton swab dipped in rubbing alcohol. Overwatering can lead to root rot. If the leaves are mushy and discolored, it's a sign of root rot. Repot the plant in fresh, dry soil. Section 8. Harvesting Aloe Vera, Your Guide to Gel Extraction. You can harvest aloe vera leaves once the plant is mature. Aloe vera plants are known for their thick, fleshy leaves that store water, making them perfect for gel extraction. The plant needs to be at least a year old before you start harvesting. This ensures that the leaves are full of the beneficial gel that aloe vera is famous for. This usually takes about a year. During this time, make sure to provide the plant with adequate sunlight and water. Aloe vera thrives in well-drained soil and doesn't require frequent watering. Overwatering can lead to root rot, so it's best to let the soil dry out between waterings. Choose the outermost plump leaves for harvesting. These leaves are the oldest and contain the most gel. When selecting leaves, look for those that are thick and healthy. Avoid leaves that are thin or have any signs of damage or disease. Use a sharp knife to cut the leaf close to the base. Avoid crushing the leaf. A clean cut will help the plant heal faster and prevent any unnecessary damage. It's important to use a sterilized knife to avoid introducing any bacteria or pathogens to the plant. Once you cut the leaf, you'll notice a yellow sap. This sap is known as aloe latex, and it contains compounds that can be irritating to the skin. It's important to handle the leaf carefully to avoid contact with the sap. This sap contains latex, which can be irritating to some people. If you have sensitive skin, it's best to wear gloves while handling the leaf. The latex can cause redness, itching, or even a mild rash in some individuals. Rinse the leaf thoroughly under running water to remove the sap. This step is crucial to ensure that the gel you extract is free from any latex. Hold the leaf under cool running water and gently rub the surface to wash away the yellow sap. Now, you can extract the gel and enjoy its benefits. Aloe vera gel is known for its soothing and healing properties. It can be used to treat minor burns, cuts, and skin irritations. Simply cut the leaf open and scoop out the clear gel inside. Store the gel in an airtight container in the refrigerator to keep it fresh for longer. Section 9. Using Aloe Vera Gel, Nature's Miracle Cure. Aloe vera gel has countless uses. It's a natural moisturizer for the skin. Apply it directly to soothe burns, cuts, and insect bites. Aloe vera can also soothe sunburn. It helps to reduce inflammation and redness. You can even use aloe vera gel on your hair. It acts as a natural conditioner, leaving your hair soft and shiny. From skincare to hair care, aloe vera is a true gift from nature. Enjoy!